In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to uninstall and remove programs on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in Control Panel. Best result, you'll go back with Control Panel here. Go ahead and select that. Select the view bar in the top right and select large icons. And then you want to go down and select Programs and Features, and then locate the program you want to remove, and then select uninstall at the top, and then just walk through the on-screen steps, and that's pretty much all you have to do. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.